Hi, this is Sudha. Welcome to JST Creation Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this bandana stitch. Let's begin. Make a loop to begin with. One chain to secure that loop. One, two, three, four, five chains. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip very first chain and this chain. On the third chain, I'm going to make one double crochet. One double crochet on the third chain, and on the fourth chain one double crochet, and on the fifth chain another double crochet. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 chains again on skip 1 2 on the third chain going to have one double crochet. Skip those two chains and make a double crochet on the third chain, another double crochet on the fourth chain, and one more double crochet on the fifth chain. Right, it's going to be like this. Now I'm going to turn my work and make a slip knot on this chain space, not on the chain, that between the chain space here. Right, now 1 2 3 chains and one double crochet onto this chain space between two stitches. I'm making stitch between these two stitches. 1 2 and 3 double crochets onto this chain. Right, now it's look like a V. Now again going to make 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Now repeat the same. 1 2 on the third chain one double crochet, one double crochet, two double crochet, and 3 double crochet on the same stitch. Right, now turn the work. This is the double crochet, this is 3 chains, so I'm going to insert into this chain. Okay, 1 2 sorry 2 3 double crochet chains and one double crochet onto that space, and again one more 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet onto this. Right, here totally 3 double crochet and 3 chain onto this chain space. Now we move on to this set of stitch. Here also we are going to work in between this chain here, between the double crochet and the chain, not on the chains. Here I am going to make in the space. Slip stitch, 1 2 3 chains and 1 2 and 3 double crochets here. It's going to be like this. Row number 1 2 3 completed. Now we are going to move on to row number 4. 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Now skip these 3 chains, and on the third chain going to have one double crochet and one double crochet on the fourth chain, and fifth chain we are going to have one double crochet. Now turn the work and do the work on this chain space here, right, onto this. A slip stitch, make 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 double crochets here. Again move on to this. These are the double crochets. This is the chain that we make every time. So we are going to do the works on the chains. Now again slip stitch and 1, 2, 3 double chains and 3 double crochets here. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets here, right? And again the last one on the chain space. Yes, this is the chain, so I'm going to make it on this chain space. 1, 2, 3 and double crochet onto this. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Row number 4 completed. Okay, now I'm going to start row number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time when we are starting a new row, we make 5 chains and make 3 double crochets on the chain. Then continue the work. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Turn the work and make a slip knot onto this work. Chain space 1, 2, 3 double crochet and double crochet onto 3 double crochets on this and move on to this chain space. 1, 2, 3 double chains and 3 double crochet into this 2 and 3 double crochet into this and move on to this into the chain space, slip stitch and 1, 2, 3 double crochets and 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets. Continue the work like this. Okay, now this is the chain. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch and finish row number 5. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets here, right? Now again 5 chains and continue the work. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Here the last stitch, going to have a slip stitch, chain 1, 3 and 3 double crochets here, 2 and 3 double crochets here. It's going to be like this. This is the front part of our work, so I'm going to start the work from this side. Okay, now for that, sorry, I'm going to make 1 chain and turn my work on the side way. Now here in this chain space, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 single crochets, 3 single crochets on this chain space, and skip these 3 double crochets and make another 3 single crochets on this chain space, 1, 2 and 3, right? Every space here I'm going to make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet single crochets here. This is, you can see the very first chain, the workings. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and skip all these work and start this from here. 1, 2 and 3 double single crochets here and continue single crochets on these spaces. 1, 2, 3 single crochets, 2 and 3 single crochet. here the last chain here. So I'm going to make one slip knot, single crochet onto this chain. Now we came back to the another side of the working. Now chain one, turn the work and make one single crochet on the next chain, on the next single crochet rather. Now make 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on this single crochet. Sorry, 2 yarns on my hook. Now slip knot. Again 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains and again make a slip knot on the same stitch. 3 slip knots on same single crochet. It's going to be like this. I am going to make slip knot 1, 2 and 3 slip knot on next 3 single crochets. On the 4th stitch, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Right now 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on this single crochet. Now again 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on this single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and again on the same single crochet make 3 slip knots. Now again slip knot 1, 2 and 3 slip knots. On the 4th chain going to have 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 slip knot and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and slip knot on this same single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and slip knot onto this same single crochet. Continue this. Now I reach to this chain 5 space. On this chain 5 space I am going to make 1 slip knot and make 1, 2, 3 chains. This chain considered as 1 double crochet. So now I am going to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 double crochets here. Now chain 2, turn the work. Now skip this double crochet. On the 3rd double crochet I am going to make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and skip 3rd one. On the 5th one I am going to make 1 double crochet. Right, again chain 1, skip this and on this I am going to make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch onto this, that very first chain. Okay. Chain 1, turn the work and make 1 single crochet on the very first chain. Right, now 1, 2, 3 chains and slip stitch on the single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and slip stitch on the same single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch onto the same single crochet. Right, now we move on to this single crochet. make one single crochet on that single crochet and make 3 chains and slip stitch on the single crochet where we made now 1 2 3 chains, slip stitch second and third time 1 2 3 on the third single crochet, slip stitch on the single crochet. Now we move on to this double crochet, right? On the double crochet make a single crochet, 1 2 3, make slip stitch on each 3 times on this, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now move to this single crochet. Here the single crochet is here, so one single crochet again on that stitch and 1 2 3 slip stitch here. Here also 3 times, 1 2 3 the second time and third time, right? This is the last slip stitch. On the slip stitch again I am going to make one single crochet and continue this stitch. 1 2 and 3. Okay, done. This is done. It's got make 1 2 3 chains and go to this very first single crochet, make one single crochet and continue the workings, 3 chains, slip stitch and right, make it as same as this. Done. I have finished my work, right? Now we have to make a tail, so for that I'm going to make one single crochet onto this chain, right? Now insert my needle into this yarn, only one yarn over, pull through that yarn and make one single crochet, right? Again here we have 2 yarns on this. I'm going to insert into the first loop, right? Yarn over, pull through. Now 2 on my hook, make one single crochet. Again insert into the one yarn, pull through and single crochet. Continue this and make a strap. Done. Now I am going to cut this yarn, right, and take it out. It's going to be like this. Okay, on the other side also I have to make, so I'm going to make one single crochet on this here in this space, right, and start do the work like this. Okay, done.